What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply a voting, so an upvote, a downvote, or a like or dislike to WordPress comments. Okay, so here is one example into this post. We have 3 comments, 1 comment reply, and imagine that users from your site can read the comments and upvote the comment or downvote the comment to make one comment go to the top and another go to the bottom of the post. Okay, something like a featured comment and a below comment. Okay, learning how to do this is what we're gonna do into this video, so let's get this started. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not used internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, once on dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard and hover your mouse over plugins. On it, click on add new. Into the upper right corner, next to a field called keyword, into search plugins, we're gonna type this text, WP-Discuz. Okay, just like this. Okay, and this is the plugin that we are looking for. Comments-wpDiscuz. Ajax-powered real-time comments, designed for extend WordPress native comments. So click on install, and after this, click on activate button. After this, plugin gonna redirects you to the plugins list, the list where you can see all of the currently installed plugins on your site. But no need to worry, right here, and click into this button, go to install wizard. Okay, from here, we have 3 steps to complete. First thing to do is light theme or dark theme. Okay, the comment layout, we have 3 layouts to play with. Okay, here is example. After this, next step. Now, comments bubble, comment live update, comments bubble location. Next step. Now we can enable article hating, in the case that you want to hate the article or not. It's up to you. You can enable or disable. I'm gonna keep this enabled and finish the installation. Thank you. Let's start using the WP-Discuz. And from here, you can already go to our posts, for example, and in every part of the comments, you're gonna be able to see the heading, the comments style, and the new, better optimized layout with a plus and a down button into our comment. So I can upvote this comment by clicking right here, for example. Okay, what else we can do? Imagine that you would like to, for example, change the article and the comments rating. So click right here, and from here, enable aggregate heading schema. It's good, okay, for SEO. Display heading before, after, the heading colors. And if you can go right here back to the plugin settings, you can see a lot of options to play with your comments. But the one that we're looking for is this one, comment thread features. Okay, so click right here. And from here, you're gonna be able to display avatars and right here, show voting buttons. Okay, so we can see these voting buttons. I would like to change for the like and dislike buttons to make it more normal. And you can enable the downvote, the button to dislike, and other parts. After this, click on save change. Let's review our comments now. And as you can see, this comment have one upvote, and this one may have one downvote, for example. Okay, very simple, easy, and effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. In the case that you have any question, don't forget to check out our Borderless WordPress plugin in order to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using any kind of page builder you like, or the block editor from WordPress. And you're gonna gain pre-built websites that you can import with a single click as well. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme, that you can download and use on any site you want with amazing customization options, go to your WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Anzu WordPress theme, click on install and activate it. You're gonna be amazed about how many features this theme offers for free. And in addition, if you have a blog or you would like to receive posts, publish guest posts, to enter into the blogging community, go to growth-with3ws.net, submit your site. It's completely free and you're gonna be part of this amazing community of websites to publish or to trash guest posting, okay? And as a final notice, in the case that you want your site up and running faster, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and go premium in order to unlock access to our template library that are pre-built websites for every business style that you can import with a single click. Just change the logo type, some options, some images, and make it look like yours to start with a site in minutes. All in WordPress with amazing premium icons, blocks, templates, and all our support. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!